in your pairs, can you tick a box? In your pair. So, first question I want to ask you in your pairs, did everybody assemble the box the same way? Because I noticed that ultimately what you get out of it is what you're going to put in, because my journey or the part that I journey with you ends at the end of this day. Yours carries on with each other onwards daily, day in, day out. You know, right?
You just trust that the driver was.
But now that you look back in hindsight, right? Was there a difference between the driver, the first driver and the new driver, the observer driver that came in?